Filing this report cannot be undone.
Don't do it.
Um, okay. Okay, are you guys watching? I'm only gonna buy one key at a time.
By the way, I have your credit card information now.
You do? Then, oh, if you do, DM it to me. Okay, you guys ready? You guys ready? You guys ready? Oh. Oh yeah. CZ75 auto polymer. Let's go. Oh. Oh, oh, it is battle scarred. Oh, it's a .48. Oh, it's nasty. It's nasty. I'm glad I didn't get anything good. Oh, okay. Oh, sweet. I have a 100-day streak with Aiden. I don't care. Unless you put something on the story, then I don't care. No, I don't care. Let's go. Okay. Glove case. Open.
Hang on, I have a better copy pasta for you, Samwa.
Open a case.
I am.
Just click. Just click the button.
Holy shit. I just got gloves. I'm not joking. Oh my god. I'm not joking. No, 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 no.
Watch, Sam, just watch. Just let. Oh my god, Chad, this guy
Oh.
Chad, it's
No, no way. No way. Oh, oh, how is this possible? How is this possible? Oh, how much are these worth? Oh, they're $300. Oh,
Oh, their handwraps back. Oh,
they're $327. Yes.
Dude, Chad,
Oh,
Chad,
oh,
look
holy shit. Holy shit. Yeah.
Chad, you said it like an
I'm
idiot.
freaking out right now. Oh, oh, I never thought this would happen to me.
you're at 61.
I'm gonna pass out. Oh god, hold on. Oh, I'm like shaking right now. Holy shit. Oh, oh, oh. Hold on. Oh, I'm keeping them. I'm keeping them. There's no way I'm selling these.
Okay,
Chad,
wait.
you should buy
Spend
Steam
spend
games
money on
instead.
spend money on a
Holy god. How is this possible?
I just thought you were joking.
My favorite.
No, it could have been
That was
hunters.
my
It could have
glove.
been hunters.
No.
Dominic, you
Er.
can't tell. He scrambled the egg. Also, he's probably
Oh.
because he bought the
Oh.
No, I don't want him. I don't want him.
Are you stupid? I'll take it.
Dude, Chad's gonna have like.
Oh,
Hey, Chad,
dude, I'm so
you
stoked.
gonna like wake up your parents and be like, I just won $300.
Oh, this is so surreal. Holy crap.
Paid off for all. If it's paid
Yo,
off
I
for
would
all of
legit
his
scream. I don't even care if people are sleeping.
Dude, I'm really loud right now. I was just really loud right now.
Who cares? You got $300.
Chad, this deserves for you to go get some heroin and just start injecting yourself with your body.
No, you know what this deserves?
How is this possible?
That just paid off for all of Chad's keys and Steam games in one fell swoop.
Dude, hold on. I'll be right back. I'm sorry.
Oh.
Yo,
I'm.
I'm like low key jealous now.
Me too.
Like I'm
He
happy
doesn't
for
even
him.
take the game seriously.
Dude, like legit, if I got those, I would like cash them out and like
Buy Steam games.
no. I
Dude,
joke.
I'm
Okay, please no.
I I'm oh my god.
Yo, okay, okay. The thing is though, is he gonna open the other ones?
Probably not. Dude, do you know
Yeah,
how
I'm
lucky he is?
I thought he was joking.
No, I knew as soon as he was reacting like he was, and he wasn't owning up to it. I knew he got them. He's probably want to take like some Tylenol so he
No,
doesn't pass
dude, he's
out.
probably just gonna wait for his parents, or he's probably gonna go tell his parents.
Might start winking off to it or something.
That is impressive, bro. Inspect in game. 0.126 flow.
That's really good. Nor is good. You should get on your server. Okay, Sam, if you're gonna take that, you should get on your server.
I'm gonna go like.
Okay, well, I'm gonna tell her to chat just on $300.
Can you please stop breathing into your mic?
Chill out, okay?
No, it is intense. You're like.
Mike has a funny name. I get it, Sam. I just told the cap this for literally.
Fucking balls. Oh my.
Dude,
What is he doing though? Like, come on, come back, please. I want to open gloves now, or cases now, but I know I'm not gonna get anything out of them.
you're gonna get like a light blue for some reason.
It's gonna glitch and freaking give me like trading cards or something.
You should get on your server though, for real.
I don't even know how to get on. I forgot.
Use curse.
Ew, gross.
What? Use curse. Then the FT. Ooh, pot on. Like, turn me on. That noise you make with your mouth.
What noise?
Like,
Yeah.
yeah.
I'm literally shaking right now.
Me too.
Yo, what did you just do?
I went and told my parents.
What
Oh,
did
they,
you say?
like my mom was like, "That's cool." No, no, they did. Mom's like, "Congratulations." I'm like, "Sweet."
Congratulations, you won. Congratulations, you won.
All your games.
Holy God.
Winning the
Chad,
jackpot
Chad,
is
Chad. Put him in the CS:GO role.
Sorry, Sam. You just gave me a mild aneurysm right there. I'm still gonna open these. I'm still gonna open the rest of these.
Yeah, okay, Chad. If you get like anything else, can I
Wait,
get
hold on. It says starting at $403. Never mind.
400?
In three. I'm richer than Hunter now. I feel good.
Dude, Hunter's gonna get back into the what?
He's gonna find where Chad is.
Okay, I'm opening another case. Are you guys still watching?
School, by the way.
But like, there's no way.
Here, are you guys still watching? Are you guys still
Yes, I'm
watching?
watching.
No, I know you're
Get another pair of gloves. Let's go.
Oh no.
I'm gonna lose my mind.
Hold on. I got garbage. I don't really care anymore. It's actually kind of bringing me back down to earth getting garbage.
You're like, oh, battle's going through.
Oh,
Chad, I heard you have like an aneurysm. You stuttered a lot.
I'm not gonna lie. I actually thought you were faking for a second.
Yeah, Sam did. I did. I knew as soon as you like were like
Oh, I
stuttering.
think gloves because it sounded really fake at the beginning.
no, I don't blame you.
And then I saw it on the screen. I was like, oh.
I don't blame you. I probably woke up my sister, and I kind of feel bad.
He gives a crap. He just gets everybody.
I don't care if I woke up my dad, even though I have to go to work at 5 in the morning. I would have.
Okay,
Literally jumped out
Sam.
my chair and started like wink.
Yo, Chad.
Are you here? Are you here?
Open cases, but I know I'm gonna get crap.
Sam, are you here? Are you watching?
No.
I invited you.
Chad, I'm watching. Why can't you like acknowledge?
Hold on. I'm messaging Trevor.
I just did that. I think Chad just got grabbed. Wait,
Dude, I'm
Chad,
so
Chad.
happy for you. Like, Carson's gonna tackle him.
No, Carson's gonna be like, give me that. I'm gonna gamble.
Oh, dude.
Richer than Carson and Hunter.
No. Here.
Dude, I'm like a little like
I'm
phased
jealous.
by this.
I'm 100% jealous.
Yeah.
Here, can I add Trevor, or can you add Trevor to the server? I want to get in voice with him. Here, wait, can I invite you? I just invited you. I'm inviting Carson to come watch.
Yo, he's in a game right now.
I did.
I don't have it.
Wait, what are they called? I don't even know what they're called. Oh, he said, "Fuck are your gloves," and he called me a nigger. Oh, Carson's salty. Carson's salty. Oh, oh, I'm not gonna sleep tonight. Oh,
Yo, hey, if I got this, I would actually sell them and then help you get a Snapchat.
Car. Here, hold on. Wait. What gloves were it? What gloves were it? Badlands wear. Okay.
Yeah, hold on, bro. I have to get Discord on my system.
Yeah. Well, he got an SSD, so that's good. Okay, I'm gonna open another. Let's go.
Yo, Chad, I had a mild aneurysm.
Okay, I'm gonna open another.
Yo, I gotta get it.
Dude, it was like a dream. It was so weird. Oh, this is so weird.
The first time, I get scared.
Here, okay, I'm gonna open it. Let's go. Let's go. Are you guys watching? I did. I sent you like 3. Oh my god, there's no way. Oh. I got a Mag 7 Sonar. Oh no way, there's no way. Hold on, how much is that thing worth? Oh, it's worth like 40 cents. I don't care, honestly. Here, I need a glove case or a Spectrum case, one or the other. Somebody send me one.
I'll give you a glove case. I'll give you my glove case.
Trevor? It's, I,
would too.
no, they're $400.
Are you kidding?
No joke. Dude, Carson's pissed. He's triggered. Because I have more money than he does. And I got it legit. Here, somebody send me. Somebody send me. Yeah, like a stupid retard.
Yeah, he gambled away a $600.
Oh. Here, put it.
What are you gonna do?
Here, Sam, where's the glove case? Oh, that's my inventory, not yours. Dude, no, I'm keeping these. I'm sorry, I'm keeping these. Yeah.
No, I would say that. No, I saw
Hmm.
Carson Snapchat of me twice. What he said. I don't know.
Dude, oh, people are gonna see that and they're gonna lose it on my Snapchat.
No one's gonna know what it is. Yeah. Oh, it said say 300
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Did Alex open gloves? Oh no.
Carson opened 2 cases. He did.
What'd he
He got
get?
Battlestar Blue, and then he got another. I think he got
Oh
a
yeah,
box.
he's gonna be salty. Here, Sam, can you confirm the trade, please? Oh, people. Oh, this is so surreal. Yeah, here, let me go buy some hacks, guys.
No, I'll give him my gloves for half. Should I unbox it? Wait, I don't even think I. No, please don't. Please don't.
Oh.
I know. I'm gonna invest.
Hey, you know how you can delete cases? I wish you could delete gloves.
No, they can't. Because you
I
get
know.
one. So then there's like all the noises on all the sides, and then they two. Yeah.
Oh,
You have like 2,000 cents. And it's not looking.
what isn't?
My glove case. And it's just only they're going to see that. Chad,
What?
if it's something really crappy,
Yeah. I'll. I don't know. Maybe.
you're unboxing more.
Yeah, I'm unboxing one more. Are you in the stream, dude?
What's
Alright. Yeah, I'm streaming right now. Hold on. Let me invite you.
how do I say that?
Boy, did I. Yes, I did. I believe so. Hold on. Yeah, I did.
What the heck is this?
Yeah, I'll give it to you.
The Steam overlay won't work.
Wait, how many Badlands have been found?
Wait, send that again. Send the stream thing again.
Dude, if this is like a rare glove. Oh.
Wait, can you send me the poster again?
View all friends. Blue mango. Invite to watch. Wait, are you guys all in it?
Did you send it?
Yeah, I sent it. I'm a silver one. I'm on 24 matches, and I have a pair of gloves. Dude. Oh, Carson's gonna be so salty. Huh? Do you want me to resend it? Yeah. Hold on. Hold on. Sorry, I'm not really listening to you right now. Okay, friends can watch my games. Just okay. So just try to see if you can. No, I'm really not. Okay, guys, watch my broadcast. I'm gonna open another.
Alright, I got it.
If I get a dragon fire, oh, I'll still be happy.
If you get more gloves, I vow I will eat my way. I'll suck your dry
Okay. Are you guys watching? Are you guys watching?
Yeah. No. I'm not watching.
Sam, are you watching? Okay. Oh,
I'm watching.
you can just watch my game.
Yeah. Just say watch.
Just go and hit. Yeah.
There's nothing that says watch. Yes, there is. Look down. It says watch game.
I'm like fidgeting with my Rubik's Cube right now.
Go like on the matrix.
No. In the CS:GO menu or the Steam menu.
It's not there.
Okay. Do Shift tab.
It's not there.
Do Shift tab.
Look.
There you go. Shh. Okay, guys, quiet. This is the best night of my life. No joke. Yeah, P2000 turf. Woo! Boy, I don't care. I don't care. How much is the turf? I'm low-key kind of guys, I'm low-key kind of disappointed that I didn't get another pair of gloves. I know. Hmm.